Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to search for resume on Ziprecruiter. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter employer account. So you need to create an employer account for you to get this done. Now here we go. Before we start, I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. Its AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to search for resume on Ziprecruiter employer account. So from here, head over to the left corner of your screen and you're going to find these options, right? Post a job, dashboard, jobs, candidates, invite to apply, resume database, messages, help and activate. So go ahead and click on resume database. So over here, go ahead and click on search resume. So you have these tabs: search resumes, my saved searches, my viewed resumes, but just set it to search resumes and you're going to find your resume. So it says we're verifying your account. You have limited access during verification, but we'll let you know when everything's ready to go to contact this. So get more relevant results by multiple keywords. So you can use abundant search and some modifiers like and not or translate it to search criteria. Okay, so powerful filters. Now from a resume database of 43 million resumes, you can hone your results by location, job title, previous companies, and freshness. Okay, so let's say your active jobs. It says I have no active job. So enter your skills, that's the keyword, and location, then job title, and past the previous companies and the industry. So once you have entered this using all of these searches, you should be able to see the resume option, that you're able to see resumes that you are definitely looking for. So once you fill out all of these, you're going to find this best matches option, and then you find people with their different resumes, and that's just going to be it. But now these may not be feasible because there's the verifying account, so I have limited access during verification. It means I will not be able to search resumes until my account has been successfully verified. But this is where you can search for resumes on Ziprecruiter employer account. Just head over to resume database and set it to search resumes. Then fill out all of these details, these filters, and you'll be able to see better matches for resumes on Ziprecruiter. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.